foundation, which is currently the Milk Makeup Stick, and I'm in the shade Buff. I love this foundation stick. It's so easy to apply. It lasts like all day. I just love how it's just a very natural finish, but it covers everything you need it to. And this is my favorite brush for applying foundation, or the Ultimate Buff Brush by EcoTool. It makes blending just like a dream. Now I currently have a couple breakouts going on. Merry Christmas to me. So I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more over my problem areas and just buff that in again. And if you have really dark circles like I do, mine are very blue, and I've searched for years to find the perfect concealer, so I finally started going in. First I take the Jeffree Star Peach Corrector. So I just put it right where I'm really blue, and then I have a lot of blue right inside here too, so I put that on. Then I just take my damp beauty blender. If you guys have any other peach correctors that you like, let me know. So far this one is my favorite by far. I just took a lot of the blue out. So next I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star concealer. This is the shade C1. So I just put a little right in there. And a dab. And then I just take like a tiny bit on my nose. And my foundation rubs off on my chin a lot, so I always put a little concealer there. And we're just going to dab that in with the damp beauty blender. Next, I just go over, after I have my foundation and concealer, I just take the same damp beauty blender and I just dab my foundation because I feel like it gets off the excess product and keeps it from getting too cakey and kind of just like melts everything into your skin. And after that, I'm just going to take my powder and just do a light dusting of powder. This is the J-Cap Beauty Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation, and this is in the shade Ivory. So I'm just taking a big, fluffy brush, and I just do a light layer of that everywhere. Next, I'm going to take my current favorite bronzer. This is the Kylie bronzer in the shade Almond. Setting powder in the shade Soft Pink. This is my current favorite setting powder. I love this stuff. It doesn't make me break out. So if you have a hard time with breakouts and you want to use a setting powder, definitely try out the Kylie Cosmetics. So I'm going to take that on the same damp beauty blender that we're using. And I just kind of dab that. I just do a light layer. I don't do anything crazy. And then I just take a little bit and I just dab that under my eyes until it blends in. So I don't leave it on like baking like I do on the side. I just put a little under my eye. Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in Halo. This is just an angled blush brush. Dab, tap off the excess. Jelly highlighter. I got this in my BoxyCharm and I love it. It's like the prettiest gold shade, and if you touch it, it feels like jelly. It's so cool, but it applies like a powder. We're just going to use this little highlighting brush. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows quick. Very sloppy when I do my eyebrows because I hate doing them, and I just don't have the best brows. I just throw them on quick. A flat concealer brush, and I go on my foundation stick, and then I just clean up where they got a little out of hand, which is usually a lot of places. Benefit Give Me Brow. This is the number 3 shade. Alright, so next we're going to go in with the star of the show, the Tati Beauty Palette. If you do not have this palette, I suggest that you get it. It is the best palette ever. It's a great neutrals palette, but not only is it a great neutrals palette, it has glitter, it has shimmers, it has mattes, it has satin finishes, it has everything you need. So if you are wanting a palette that does a lot of things with many different colors, many options without having to buy multiple palettes, go get yourself the Tati Beauty Palette. It's honestly, it's amazing. Let's go in with the Sequin Aura shade, which is right here. I'm just going to take that on a big fluffy brush. The Morphe and Jeffree Star JS5 Soothe Sequin, so that's right here. Let's start that in the crease. Next, we're just going to take a flat shader brush, shade Metallic Soothe. Just this really pretty gold shade right here. I'm just going to pat that, take it, and roll it into the corner. Story glitter right here. I'm just going to take that on my finger and dab that over where we just put the gold eyeshadow down. I hope you can see how pretty that comes off. Soothe glitter, same thing on my finger, and I just want to tap over where we just put the other shade. Okay, so now we have the glitter on. And Jeffree Star JS6 Poet Metallic shade right here. I'll put that in the crease right above the glitter. Next, I'm going to go with this, just another big blending brush. Soothe Metallic, so that gold shade, and I'm going to just mix it with the Aura shade, and I'm just going to kind of blend over that. So next we're going to go in with the shade Poet, this kind of matte cranberry shade on the same, what's this, the same JS6 brush. I'm going to put a little of that in the outer corner and just kind of blend that right where we put that other cranberry shade. Jeffree Star Morphe JS9 brush. I just want to go in with a little bit of this, what shade is this? Story Sequin. And I'm just going to put that above the cranberry, kind of into the gold, just to kind of blend those two together with just a very light hand. Alright, next we're going to take a flat shader brush, and we're going to take the Aura Matte shade, which is right here. And actually I'm going to take a little bit of this sequin shade too. And I just want to put that under my brow bone. Next, this is the Kylie Jenner I See What You Mean. And just blend that into the inner corner. And whatever's left over on my brush, I just kind of pop up on my brow bone. Okay, so we do have a little glitter fallout, so I'm just going to brush that away. And while I'm at it, I'll just buff the rest of my powder away. Let's do the lower lash line. Morphe and Jeffree Star JS12. I'm going to take the Poet shade in the metallic row. I'm just going to take this little smudging brush. I'm going with this Ritual Sequin shade, this warm brown right here. Okay, I'm going to do my winged liner. So for this, I'm using the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. To be honest, I don't like it. So this wing got a little out of hand, so I'm just going to clean that up with some concealer quick. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that eyeliner. I love the NYX eyeliners. All their liquid eyeliners are just the best. So I'm just using the same brush we used to clean up our eyebrows, and I'm just going in with a little bit Puff Concealer to just clean that wing up. Mistakes happen. Happens to the best of us. Yeah, I don't love that eyeliner. I'm just taking my damp beauty blender to kind of melt in that. Okay, so now that I have that done, I think I want to darken my outer corner just a little more. Let's use this Sequin Poet shade, this sparkly cranberry color. The JS6. This is just a big fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go in with the metallic story shade. I guess that's more of like a coral color. I'm just going to kind of blend everything together. Go back into the lower lash line one more time. This cranberry shade. Alright, so I'm going to curl my lashes. And go with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. Gonna go in next with my favorite mascara, the Essence Lash Princess, the green one. Just going back in with a little more blush because I vote you always add an extra layer because it does wear off. All blushes kind of tend to wear off on me, so. Alright, to finish this look off, we're going to go in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Wifey. Alright guys, so that about finishes it up. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.